Buddy, this is Chris the Dream Neves, and I just wanted to talk to you about something. There's a Macho Man DVD coming out. I believe it's today. A Macho Man Randy Savage DVD that was released today, and his brother Lanny Poffo said that originally, which most people don't know, originally his manager was supposed to be Missy Hyatt, who was from WCW kind of in the early days, but first she was in the WWE, but Vince McMahon said she didn't have any talent, so he wanted her to be one of those people that take the robes and, like, for example, remember Razor Ramon when they would take his change from ringside, his chains? That's what a featherette it was called. And she said, no, I got more talent than that, so he let her go. But briefly, around 87, she had a talk show called, I believe it's Wyatt's Corner. But you can correct me in the comments if I'm mistaken. But it didn't last very long, and she moved on to AWA or WCW or whatever it was. Now, during 85, they asked Randy Savage if, even before the talk show, they asked Randy Savage, they think he should come out with a woman. And he said, that's nice, but my wife is kind of pretty, and she's not too tall, and she's not blonde, but let's give her a try. So that's how it came about that Art Imitated Life, where Randy Savage was escorted by his real-life wife, Miss Elizabeth. So that's basically the story of the Macho Man and Miss Elizabeth. There you go. So this is Chris Neves the Dream, YouTube, and now you know what the deal is.